Meaning of inflamed.
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 Inflamed. The term inflamed refers to a biological response in the body's tissues to harmful stimuli, such as pathogens, irritants, or damaged cells. The characteristic symptoms of inflammation include redness, swelling, heat, pain, and sometimes loss of function. This inflammatory response is an important defense mechanism against infection and injury, but chronic or excessive inflammation can also lead to tissue damage and disease. In short, inflamed describes an underlying biological process that manifests as a visible and often uncomfortable physical reaction to protect and heal the body.